Let's take a look at how SharpCloud can help with your strategic planning process. In this example, our team was given the task of selecting which projects they want to do in the current planning cycle, while A, staying within our 700,000 pounds of available budget, and B, having an equal balance between our internal and external projects. These types of decisions are commonly made in an Excel spreadsheet. Here I can see a table of all the projects in my portfolio with metrics such as benefit, cost, and priority. It makes sense for me to want to filter it down to see just my highest priority projects. And I can see that when I do that, I'm actually within my budget, and it looks like I have a roughly equal balance between my internal and external projects. But let's take a look at what this data would look like in a SharpCloud story where we can set up very specific views to help us address the questions that we have. Here I've set up a view that breaks out my projects by their priority levels, and I can see that when I select all of my high priority projects and I select those to be included in the planning cycle, even though I'm within my 700,000 pound budget, two of my most profitable projects have dependencies that were classed as either low or medium priority. So I'll need to make sure to include those as well, which means I'll have to leave out some of my higher priority projects. We can see that when I've made these changes, I'm back within my available budget. And when I take a look at my summary view here, even though I'm within that budget constraint, I now have an imbalance between my internal and external projects. So now that I know that's the question that I need to answer, I can jump to another view that gives me some more information about this problem. Here I can see all of the projects that were either classed as internal or external, and I've also included the number of dependencies that each of these projects have, so I know which ones I can remove without impacting the other projects in my portfolio. So I'll remove one of my internal projects and I'll bring forward my most profitable external project. So here we can see that I'm now back within that budget constraint. If I jump to my summary view, I can see that I've now balanced out my portfolio in regards to internal versus external projects as well. So here we can see that by moving our data into SharpCloud, our team was able to reduce the decision gaps they have and see the whole picture and eliminate decision waste by choosing the right items to move forward for our planning process.